Welcome to my neighborhood. Today I want to share with you a couple of crochet designs for baby booties. I love those little crochet pattern projects that can finish up quite quickly and that leave time for lots of summer fun. Let's take a look. Booties Crochet. Hello everyone, as we leave Christmas in July behind, we continue with the regular scheduled program, and today we're going to look at baby booty crochet patterns. Adorable, cute little bear baby booties. Different colors, different genders, a little bow tie for a baby boy, a little hair tie for a baby girl. Absolutely adorbs. These are so cool. I love these sort of Crocs, slipper kind of baby booties. How cool is this? Crocheted piece on it. This baby will be the coolest baby out there. So cute. And again, you can choose your favorite color. The same with these Converse sneaker baby booty crochet patterns. How cool are they? And this is a nice little snuggly one for the winter. More of a elaborate sock. And these are so cool. With the sort of crocodile style stitch and this color changing crochet yarn is absolutely cool as well. They are so adorable. Little espadrilles, very nice for summer, and they will look adorable on the baby. Oh, nice little colors. A baby booty with a massive bow on it. Different colors. Give that child some golden slippers. And a big bow, but more on the side. Adorable little Mary Jane kind of baby booties. These are very cute and they work very fast. Some sandals. How cool is this? Oh, this child will have a shoe collection that is more elaborate than mine. So cool. Well, I hope to see you again soon for more crochet pattern goodness. And I wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye.